Okay, well, we go on back to the 80s. Donald Anders and I worked together at a manufacturing company. Donald was on the line welding. I was working inside. Well, I was in a fab shop at that time. And we worked together several years in that application. And actually, Donald just decided to go out on his own and started off building actually horse trailers. Now, a true entrepreneur now, he started from scratch. So the rental industry asked us, what do you want us to build? And Donald said, Anderson said, what do you do or don't like about the trailer? They said, they love the concept. Biggest problem, can't keep tires on them, premature tire wear. So Donald, myself, and another guy, we come up with different ideas for that suspension. Of course, Donald's was the best one, and it was the simple one, and that's the same, concept today. And it eliminates the premature tire wear for camber and toe-in adjustments. And from the get-go, we started to use an air spring. It was too much moving parts, so we went to the brand X spring for over the years. Now, of course, the SumoSpring is a lot smoother ride.
The first thing I noticed is whenever I was pulling that trailer, the ride quality of it. It was super smooth versus the rubber springs that we had on there, because we had just changed them out. And we were just trying to do some testing and see how it was going to operate and how they would do. And it was night and day difference. So with the old ones, you felt everything. Yeah, and whenever we went to the urethane, it literally smoothed it out so much where you didn't even know you had something behind you.
One of the biggest points with us is we're a family-owned company. Not that we're just a family-owned company, it's a family-run company. This is actually, as y'all can see today, this is a family-run company. All hands are on deck. We're here every day. Riley is here, puts in more work than anybody does between him and Robert alone. He tells me when it's dealing with customers, Cody, if you think we should do this, then do it. If you think this should be warranted, then warranty it. As long as the customer's taken care of at the end of the day, that's all we're really worried about. And that's really what sets us apart in a lot of it. We all have the job well good together. And we try to do our best at that.